Hey, welcome back to another video of Crypto Basics. In this video, we are going to learn how to contact customer support in Robinhood. To contact customer support in Robinhood, you can use the following steps. First of all, open up your preferred web browser and head over to robinhood.com and log in to your account. After that, click on the account option at the top right corner of the screen and click on Help. In the Help Center, you can browse articles to find solutions to common issues. You can search for the specific topic if you need help with something specific. You can tap on Contact Support button if you need to speak directly with the customer support or a virtual assistance. You can email Robinhood customer support team at support@robinhood.com for general inquiries. For specific issues, you may be prompted to use the contact form on their website. You can call the Robinhood support at 650-945-2700. However, they may direct you to other methods for assistance depending on your query. Robinhood is active on social media platforms like Twitter, where you can reach out for assistance. Keep in mind that this is typically not the primary method and response time may vary. By using any of these methods, you should be able to get the help you need from Robinhood support team. Thank you for watching this video. Please do not forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel and comment down if you have any queries.